we were at a show, and then the next year this lady comes back, and she had a Yugoslavian accent, and I can't do that. This is like this. I gotta tell you, that pillow, it helped. My husband's not snoring anymore, and we're in the same bed together. We've had so many neat stories. And then what about maybe